What's wrong with him? Why did you want me to stab him in the neck this morning?
End it now.
Why are you going to
No,
end
he's saying to stab you in the neck.
What? Oh, you want to stab me?
No, you stab me.
Oh. I don't know.
Hi.
Hi, dude.
Hi.
What place you in right now, dude?
I am in 11th place. Gotta get to top 8. I think I'm like 60 or 70 pins out, I think.
Oh,
like
it's
that.
nothing.
It sounds like nothing, but when scores are this high, it's a little something, something.
Yeah. Y'all are
So,
doing the striking right now for sure.
yeah, I was 440 over yesterday.
Wait,
and
what?
I gained 50 pins.
How much over?
440.
For 6?
12.
You were kidding me.
I was like, damn. Those
And I gained 50 pins.
those are high scores.
No, I went 215 over in the morning and 225 in the night.
You need
And
that 350 block.
And I gained 50 pins on the show. So yeah, we need about 600 over today if we're making the TV show.
Let's get it.
I mean, we can do it.
You can do it.
How sore are we gonna be today?
You're not. Sore from striking, maybe.
Yeah, maybe like my eyes are sore for watching everyone else fall to the bottom of the leaderboard.
Which set would you rather have? The set where you just throw messengers all over the place? Or the 10 back no-brainers?
The one where I throw messengers all over.
Of course.
If the score is the same, the one that looks awesome. So messengers all over the place.
Exactly. That was sick. Dear Lord. You can't even see it really on the cam, but damn.
How did they do that?
They keep it on the lane. That's the first thing they do.
Gotta warm up that hip.
Dude, why does your leg look like something out of a cartoon? It looks 14 feet tall.
Because I am 14.
You are 7'12" for sure.
7'12".
Yeah, dude.
That's what we refer to as 8 feet.
Yeah, I mean, whatever. It's all the same.
Oh, come on, you puss. I'll even throw the first one. Ready? Get ready. That was a lot closer than I thought it was going to be.
Kyle, what place you in, dude?
16th, baby.
How far out?
200.
You got it?
Got this. I only have to set the scoring record for this block.
I've seen it happen.
Yeah?
Not by you, but it's gonna be.
What?
8 baggers or spares?
8? I mean, I'm going with the 8-bagger. Bro. If you're asking me if I'm going to pick spares or throw an 8-bagger, I want to throw the 8-bagger.
Thank you.
That is a higher mathematical score than shooting spares. But
Yes.
if you're asking me, do you need spares to win? Yes.
I didn't ask that though. I just said 8 baggers or spares.
Listen, you can't rely on 8 baggers. You can rely on your
I'm not
spare
saying. He asked me, would you rather have an 8-bagger or spares? I'm having an 8-bagger.
That's literally more score. What's not more score is 8-bagger whip.
But that's
Debatable.
the whole misconception of my debate. It's not never pick up a spare. It's just not be the best spare shooter. I said they're not
I
as
don't know,
important.
man. Thing is, like,
Who's the best spare shooter in the world? Like Norm Duke?
Norm or Frank?
Who's like the best spare shooter ever? Like Norm Duke, Walter Ray?
Yeah.
Those guys got like what, like a million titles between the two of them? Conversation's over.
They also throw 8 baggers, and also they bowled when everyone averaged 190. We averaged 240 out here.
They didn't average. Oh, yeah, they did.
Yeah.
There's still some tournaments where they averaged a bunch. Norm was just telling us a tournament where they're talking about the low games in there, and he goes, I got you all beat. He's like, Norm's like, I shot 111 one time and was still leading the tournament.
Whoa. Yeah, we don't have those
He had a
anymore.
200 pin lead, shot 111. He was leading by 3.
You know when Shaq,
So far in front of me.
you know when Shaq uses his left hand to score a bucket and then he stares at his left hand?
That's me on that last
I
shot.
just want to like put that on top of what you just did that last frame.
Yeah, it's because I threw it so bad. And I was like, what are you doing?
One more time.
That's how I feel about that shot. Did all I could today. Literally did just about all I could. Made every spare.
You didn't do all you could. You could have been more mopey and sad.
If I was like the rest of the right-handers, I could have been really, really depressed the whole time I was striking with 8 boards of room down lane. Not calling anybody out.